Good morning students of class 6. Today we will take the chapter of the A Pact with Sun, second chapter, the friendly mongoose. As you know, what is the meaning of friendly? Friendly behavior, friendly, and you have also seen mongoose. This story is taken from the Panchtantra. You have also read some other stories of the Panchtantra. They are very interesting, very good stories. So in this video we will discuss the chapter The Friendly Mongoose. Now I am telling you summary of this story. In short, there was a farmer. He lived with his wife and a small child in a village. One evening, the farmer brought a baby mongoose. He thought that the mongoose would be their son's friend. The mongoose grew to its full size in 5 or 6 months. The farmer's son was still a baby. One day, the farmer's wife went to the market. She asked her husband to keep an eye on the baby. The baby was sleeping in the cradle. She did not want to leave her child alone with the mongoose. Clearly, she feared that the mongoose might harm her child. The farmer assured her not to be afraid. The farmer trusted the mongoose fully. The farmer's wife went to the market. The farmer also went to take a look at his fields soon after. The farmer's wife returned home with a basket of groceries. Do you know groceries? There are two: green grocery, who sells fruits and vegetable and grocery items that is used in the kitchen as pulses, rice, etc. The mongoose was waiting for her at the door. He saw her and ran to welcome her. The farmer's wife saw that the face and paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood, covered with. She thought that the mongoose had killed her son. So she hit the mongoose hard with her basket full of groceries. The mongoose died instantly. She ran inside. She saw her baby fast asleep. Nearby, a black snake lay dead in a pool of blood. She understood that the mongoose had killed the snake and saved her son. She repented over her rash and foolish action. She started sobbing, but in vain. Her repentance shows that hurry causes worry. So, student, do you know what is the message of the story? The message is this: first we should think, then do action. We should never do our action in hurry, as you have seen in this story. So student, in this story there are some difficult words are used. As you can see, companion means the one who gave company. Next word you can see alone. Alone means lonely, shining, bright. Bushy tail, tail like a bush, alternately, turn by turn. Cradle, palna, in which we rock baby. Keep an eye, it is a phrase, it means watch, frankly, truly. Customary, usual, scream, cried, wicked, evil. Raise, angry. Sobbing, suppressed weeping. So students, I think you are able to understand this story. Thank you.